Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO platforms, which is Moz and Driving Tools. So to get started, Moz in 2025 continues to be a powerhouse for core SEO need. It offers keyword research, link tracking, site audit, rank monitoring, and its trusted domain authority core, all in a polished interface backed by years of SEO expertise. It's great for teams focused on building organic traffic with a reliable data and a clear optimization guide that makes improving ranking straightforward and effective. Raven Tools may well position itself as an all-in-one marketing dashboard alongside with SEO tools and rank tracking. It integrates with PPC, data, social metric, and a detailed client reporting tools. Agencies love it for pulling everything into one place and generating branded report with minimal effort. And here's your overall conclusion. In 2025, choose Moz if your priority is deep, dedicated SEO insight and a proven metric. But go with Driving Tools if you need a broader marketing site with a strong reporting features for clients. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.